morning, Mandela United. Today is Wednesday, December 4th. My name is Sartak, and this is the United News. There will be a workshop held in Nelson Mandela High School for newcomers. It'll be held on December 5th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Attention all members of junior boys and junior girls volleyball teams. Our season wrap-up party will be held on Wednesday, December 11th at lunch in the main gym. Bring change of clothes to play. Anyone in Mandela Dance Empire team, there will be a meeting next Wednesday, December 11th at 3:45 in the dance studio. Today, the Mandela Bistro will be serving steak and garlic shrimp with garlic mashed potatoes and green beans, Almondine. Auditions for the Mandela Coffeehouse Talent Show is coming up on Monday, December 9th and Tuesday, December 10th after school. We are looking for students interested in performing their talents. All musicians, comedians, magicians, dancers, singers, spoken word poets, DJs, and actors are strongly encouraged to audition for the show. Students who are interested in being the MCs for the show must audition on the audition dates. The Mandela Coffeehouse Show will take place on Wednesday, December 18th after school in the music room. Any questions, speak to Ms. Sinaniaki in the music room. Now to Rida Mariam.
Now for business and economic news. Survey uncovers growing pessimism about Canada's economy. Respondents for a survey were evenly split between optimism and pessimism. Canada's economic representative this week is focusing on tourism in Northern Ontario. Today, $1 Canadian is worth 0.76 USA dollars. So yeah, go shopping. Thank you and have a great day.